What's up, software engineers? How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Shohrukh Umarov is speaking. Well, you all know how to use FastApi. You build your applications with it. The problem, you don't know how to deploy it. I really don't want to make this video very long, so I basically separated it to 3 main steps. First step, we're going to cover where to find server and set up it for our own need. Install packages, tools, whatever. In second part, we're going to focus on how to bring the code to server and do some operations with it. And the third part, we should play with Docker to run your code in the server. You got basic idea what you're going to learn, which probably worse than thousands of dollars. This kind of knowledge you only can get in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe and let's start the lesson. We are here in the first part of the lesson. We find the server, install all packages and tools we need. This one. It provides amazing services. And their servers are very well. This is my all running servers. We are not going to touch them. We're going to select the fastest one, which is Hong Kong. And the cheapest one, you don't need to sell your arms and legs for server. Okay, in total 1 month you should spend $1.50. We will wait. What we can do here? Actions. We can change its name. Done. And in the security part we should assign a password to it. We will wait 2 minutes. In the first part waiting is too much. It's the law of the nature, I think. Just have to wait. As it shows, at least 9 characters. Don't put yourself in trouble. Password was changed. It doesn't matter which terminal you're going to use. You are in iOS system or Windows. You all have this kind of terminal. What you have to do is copy the IP address of the server and write SSH root at IP service address and type yes and enter the password you previously assigned it. Right now you are in the server, in which repository you can find all the commands. It's my GitHub. You may come and learn everything. This is my ready repositories. Learn connect server to Git with SSH key. Learn deploy FastApi project. I already pre-built them all here. Learn deploy FastApi. Everything in English. Okay, update and upgrade. Upgrade. Just copy paste. This phase will take a little bit of time, around 5 minutes. So here the last part, just we're going to select Y. After a few minutes of waiting, we are done, as it's said here. Almost nothing. Now we need some packages to be installed. Let's do it. Let's make it bigger. It was pretty fast. And install GitHub. Git installation is done. We check the version 2.34. We got it. And of course Docker. It's done. We did it. Second part is also done. Update package list. Now before this we should add Docker repository. Copy and paste. It's very interesting. I copy and paste very fast. Update so far what we did in release package AMD 64. Done. All packages are up to date. That's cool. Now we can install Docker itself. Docker installation is almost finished. When you first meet with Docker and you know how it is important for software engineers, you're going to love this tool. Installing Docker is done. Now again checking versions. 29 Docker version. Whenever you run Docker, you must make sure it is enabled. Step 6. Each time it will annoy you whenever you run like docker run, docker compose, docker down. These commands we will use a lot, and we don't need this extra sudo. You can easily get rid of it with this command. Why not? We did it already. You see how easy it is? A new grab. Everything is written here. Why we are doing this all? Test Docker. I like testing. Unable to find image, then install it. Well, it will install and it will say hello from Docker. It means you are fine, you are good to go. Build this kind of applications from scratch. Please stay in this channel, get subscribed. I'm preparing lessons like this from zero to hero in FastApi. We will cover all this. Docker compose, Docker file. Let me first run this locally. What we basically do in server, we're going to, after installing Docker, we're going to type Docker compose app/d, which means detached, and build. It will search for Docker file. It comes here, it says all install system dependencies. It will look for dependencies that I have in my Python. After doing this all, it will come to services like Docker compose file. It will look, yeah, we have API and we have database. We will cover this. So here locally it's done, and we will check our local Docker. As you can see, it's running. Ready. Database also. Database system is ready to accept connections. We can close this part. Wait for the second part of the lesson. See you.